How do I use Flowsheet? The Flowsheet is to provide clinicians with instructions for managing exercises in Flowsheet section of HelloNote EMR, including creating, modifying, and duplicating exercises entries. To do this, you click on Settings, click on Flowsheet, and then you can create a new Flowsheet. For example, we can use therapeutic exercise, and then you can click on the plus icon to add the exercise. So in the exercise, you can put the CPT code as well, or you can leave it blank. And then the sets, for example, 3 sets, and then 2 repetitions. A break time and spend time, you can also leave it blank. And then you can add another exercise. Just click on the plus sign, quad sets, supine. For example, 5 second break time, and then um, for example, 2 sets and 10 repetitions. And then once it's done, you can click on save. And then when you create an evaluation note, you will be able to use the flow sheet. So this can be located when you go to the billing tab. You can just click on the flow sheet box and then type the keyword, and then it should auto populate at the bottom or on the flow sheet details box. That's it. Thank you.